Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about 50 most important question for NEET, BSc Nursing, Paramedical, CUET and other entrance exam from chapter Human Reproduction. This is our third part of our series. So let's start the question. First question. The male reproductive system include a primary sex organ and accessory duct, B. accessory glands and external genitalia, C. none of the above, D. both A and B. The correct answer is D. both A and B. Question number second. Number of testicular lobules in testis in A. 250 lobules, B. 500 lobules, C. 750 lobules, D. 200 to 300 lobules. The correct answer is A. 250 lobules. Question number 3. Interstitial cells secrete hormone called A. prolactin, B. androgens, C. estrogen, D. progesterone. The correct answer is B. androgen. Question number 4. Sperm production take place in A. seminiferous tubule, B. testicular lobules, C. retitestis, D. vas deferens. The correct answer is A. seminiferous tubules. Question number 5. Prostate gland help in A. stimulates sperm activity, B. help in lubrication of penis, C. help in secretion of enzymes, D. formation of sperms. The correct answer is A and C. Stimulate sperm activity and C. help in secretion of enzyme. A and C. Question number 6. Ejaculatory duct open into option A. ureter, option B. urethra, option C. urinary bladder, option D. testis. The correct answer is B. urethra. Question number 7. Glans penis is covered by loose fold of skin is called A. profuse, B. foreskin, C. both A and B, D. epididymis. The correct answer is C. both A and B, profuse and foreskin. Question number 8. The secretion of the seminal vesicle contained A. fructose plus no enzyme, B. fructose plus certain enzyme, C. sucrose plus much more enzymes, D. sucrose plus certain enzymes. The correct answer is B. fructose plus certain enzyme. Question number 9. The secretion of which gland help in the lubrication of the penis? Option number A. prostate gland, option B. bulbourethral gland, option C. seminal vesicles, option D. all of the above. The correct answer is bulbourethral gland, B. Question number 10. Spermatozoa are nourished during their development by A. Sertoli cells, B. connective tissue cells, C. interstitial cells, D. none of the above. The correct answer is A. Sertoli cell. Question number 11. Sertoli cell secrete a hormone called A. gonadotropin, B. testosterone, C. relaxin, D. inhibin. The correct answer is D. inhibin. Question number 12. Testosterone is produced by A. Leydig cells, B. Graafian follicles, C. Escherichia cells, D. hepatic cells. The correct answer is A. Leydig cells. Question number 13. In mammal, the testes occur in scrotal sacs outside the abdomen because of the A. presence of urinary bladder, B. presence of rectum, C. long vas deferens, D. Requirement of low temperature for spermatogenesis. The correct answer is D. Requirement of low temperature for spermatogenesis. Question number 14. Part of sperm involved in penetrating egg membrane is A. Tail, B. Acrosome, C. Allosome, D. Autosome. The correct answer is B. Acrosome. Question number 15. Which part of the fallopian tube is close to ovary? A. Ampulla, B. Isthmus, C. Ureter, D. Infundibulum. The correct answer is D. Infundibulum. Question number 16. Birth canal is found by A. Ureterus along with vagina, B. Ureterus along with cervix, C. Cervical canal along with vagina, D. Ureterus, cervix and vagina. The correct answer is C. Cervical canal along with vagina. Question number 17. Mammary glands are modification of A. Sebaceous glands, B. Meibomian glands, C. Sweat glands, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Sweat glands. Question number 18. The shape of the ureterus is A. Spherical, B. Inverted pear, C. Fusiform shaped, D. Oval. The correct answer is B. Inverted pear. Question number 19. The hymen can be torn by A. First coitus, intercourse and insertion of vaginal tampon, B. Sudden fall or jolt, C. Active participation in cycling and horse riding, option D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 20. The mammary glands are paired structure that contain glandular tissue of breast is divided into A. 10 to 12 mammary lobules, B. 12 to 16 mammary tubules, C. 15 to 29 mammary alveoli, D. 15 to 20 mammary lobes. The correct answer is D. 15 to 20 mammary lobes. Question number 21. The cells of the mammary gland that secrete and store milk are called A. Alveoli, B. Ampulla, C. Neuron, D. Nephron. The correct answer is A. Alveoli. Question number 22. Bartholin glands occur in A. Females and help in vestibular lubrication, B. Females and produce estrogen for regulating secondary sexual character, C. Males and form liquid part of spermatic fluid, D. Males and produce alkaline fluid for neutralizing urethral acidity. The correct answer is A. Females and help in vestibular lubrication, A. Question number 23. The large number of primary follicles degenerate during the phase from birth to puberty. Therefore, at puberty, each ovary has about, option number A, 1 million primary follicles, option B, a couple of million primary follicles, option C, 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles, option D, 1,20,000 to 1,60,000 primary follicles. The correct answer is C. 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles. Question number 24. The process of spermatogenesis and oogenesis is started respectively A. Puberty and mesopause, puberty, B. Puberty and menopause, C. Embryonic stage and menarche, D. Puberty and embryonic stage. The correct answer is D. Puberty and embryonic stage. Question number 25. Middle piece of mammalian sperm contains A. Centriole only, B. Nucleus and mitochondria, C. Centriole and mitochondria, D. Mitochondria only. The correct answer is C. Centriole and mitochondria. Question number 26. Estrogen is secreted by A. Corpus luteum, B. Membranous granulosa of Graafian follicle, C. Germinal epithelium of ovary, D. Pituitary gland. The correct answer is B. Membranous granulosa of Graafian follicle. Question number 27. What is the total number of polar bodies formed during oogenesis in the ovary? The correct answer is D. 2. Question number 28. Hormone responsible for ovulation and development of corpus luteum is A. FSH, B. LH, C. LTH, D. ICSH. The correct answer is B. Luteinizing hormone LH. Question number 29. Lack of menstruals may be due to the A. Pregnancy, B. Stress, C. Poor health, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 30. Immediately after ovulation, the mammalian egg covered by membrane called A. Chorion, B. Zona pellucida, C. Corona radiata, D. Vitelline membrane. The correct answer is B. Zona pellucida. Question number 31. Human females reaches menopause at the age about A. 25 years, B. 35 years, C. 50 years, D. 70 years. The correct answer is C. 50 years. Question number 32. Development of blastocyst and its attachment to the uterine wall in human being is called A. Fertilization, B. Gestation, C. Implantation, D. Insemination. The correct answer is C. Implantation. Question number 33. Amniotes include A. Fish, amphibians and birds, B. Amphibians, reptiles and birds, C. Reptile, birds and mammals, D. Only mammals. The correct answer is C. Reptiles, birds and mammals. Question number 34. The human embryo with 8 to 16 blastomere is called A. Morula, B. Blastula, C. Gastrula, D. Fetus. D. Fetus. The correct answer is A. Morula. Question number 35. Amniotic fluid protect the fetus from A. Shock, B. Incitement, C. Degeneration, D. Arthropoiesis. The correct answer is A. Shock. Amniotic fluid help protect the fetus from shock. A. Human placenta is formed by A. Chorionic villi, B. Umbilical cord, C. Uterine tissue, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Both A and B. Chorionic villi and umbilical cord. Question number 37. Thick yellow high protein fluid produced by mammary glands of women 3 days after childbirth is A. Prostate fluid, B. Seminal fluid, C. Fructose, D. Colostrum. The correct answer is D. Colostrum. Question number 38. Which gland secretes alkaline mucus in urethra to neutralize the acidity of urine? The option A. Prostate glands, B. Cowper's glands, C. Seminal vesicles, D. Pituitary glands. The correct answer is B. Cowper's gland. Question number 39. Gestation period is the duration between A. Ovulation and fertilization, B. Maturation of egg and ovulation, C. Fertilization and parturition, D. Ovulation and parturition. The correct answer is C. Fertilization and parturition. Question number 40. During embryonic development, the heartbeat begins at the end of first trimester, B. Second trimester, C. First month, D. Second month. The correct answer is C. First month. Question number 41. Which of the following induces parturition? A. Vasopressin. B. Oxytocin. C. GH. D. TSH. The correct answer is B. Oxytocin. Question number 42. There is connective tissue cord extending between testis and abdominal wall called A. Testic cord. B. Gubernaculum. C. Mesenteric cord. D. Spermatic cord. The correct answer is D. Spermatic cord. Question number 43. The amnion of mammalian embryo is derived from A. Ectoderm and mesoderm. B. Endoderm and mesoderm. C. Mesoderm and trophoblast. D. Ectoderm and endoderm. The correct answer is A. Ectoderm and mesoderm. Question number 44. Capacitation occurs in A. Retitestis. B. Epididymis. C. Vas deferens. D. Female reproductive tract. The correct answer is female reproductive tract. D. Question number 45. Which of the following layers in the antral follicle is acellular? A. Theca interna. B. Stroma. C. Zona pellucida. D. Granulosa. The correct answer is C. Zona pellucida. Question number 46. Menstrual flow occurs due to lack of A. Vasopressin. B. Progesterone. C. FSH. D. Oxytocin. The correct answer is B. Progesterone. Question number 47. About which day in normal human menstrual secretion of LH, popularly called LH surge, normally occurs? A. 5th day. B. 11th day. C. 14th day. D. 20th day. The correct answer is C. 14th day. Question number 48. The edges of in the infundibulum possess finger-like projection called fimbriae, which help in A. Collection of sperm. B. Collection of ovum after ovulation. C. To facilitate implantation. D. To pass nutrition towards ovum. The correct answer is B. Collection of ovum after ovulation. Question number 49. A temporary endocrine gland in the human body is A. Pineal gland. B. Corpus caudicum. C. Corpus luteum. D. Corpus elatum. The correct answer is C. Corpus luteum. Question number 50. Which complex of hormones induces lactation? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone and HPL. Option number B. Relaxin, estrogen and HCl. Option number C. Prolactin and HPL. Option number D. Oxytocin and progesterone. The correct answer is C. Prolactin and HPL.